This is the website of the New Ways of Working for NetZero project. It can be accessed on the following URL, NWoW-4-NetZero.eu. The website is developed in 4 languages, English as a primary language, and Macedonian, French, and Estonian. You can easily access content presented in one of the previously listed languages. The purpose of this video is to present the learning path and interactive toolkits as tools that have been developed within the New Ways of Working for NetZero project. The Learning Path tool is accessed through the main menu by navigating to the project results and then by selecting the Learning Path option. This opens a new subpage dedicated to the Learning Path tool. The first section allows you to take a quiz to understand which role fits your position and receive personalized recommendations. Or, through the second section, you can directly select your HR role and receive recommendations tailored to your specific position. In the last section, a guide is laid out and it applies to those who see themselves as HR educators and who would like to know more about how the learning process is designed with our learning paths. We will start the presentation of the tool by selecting the Take the Quiz option. This option leads to the Learning Path tool. In the Learning Path tool, questions which are asked are grouped into 4 sections: demographics, your role, your interests, and at the end it gives you a view of your learning path that is customized according to your answers. In the first section, there are several questions related to your organization. For each question, multiple answers are possible that you can choose from the drop-down lists. After you have answered all the questions, the system gives you the opportunity to go further to the next page of the tool, namely, your role. This page aims to help you in choosing the predominant role that you have within your organization or company. 4 roles are generally identified, namely strategic partners, administrative expert, employee champion, and change agent. You can read more about each of these roles on this page. After the description of the roles, several questions follow that you need to answer. Upon answering of all the questions, the system, through an internal algorithm, determines your predominant role, which is one of the roles listed above. However, you can additionally select a role for which you would like to get more information. At the bottom of the page, by pressing the Continue button, the tool takes you to the next page for your interests. In this part of the tool, you can choose which are the areas of interest about which you would like to receive more information. 3 areas are listed, namely hybrid work, sustainable mobility, and sustainable and responsible use of IT. These 3 areas present the 3 tools that have been developed during this project. For each of these tools you can choose to either show you all the content, or individually select one or more of the thematic contents covered by these tools such as stakeholders, culture, tools, HR processes, inspiring initiatives, and recommended actions. Finally, by pressing the Continue button, you can navigate to the content of your learning path that is defined according to your affinities. Your learning path is displayed in 3 tabs, one for each of the tools: hybrid work, sustainable mobility, and sustainable and responsible use of IT. By navigating this page, you will be introduced to content customized for you. Good luck in exploring new approaches to HR.